I am ANU Preeti Swami from Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Chandigarh Directorate। आप सभी का स्वागत है RDC 2026 के बिहाइंड द सीन एपिसोड में। तो आज हम लेके आए हैं फ्लैग एरिया। तो फ्लैग एरिया में हमारे साथ बहुत सारे कैडेट्स हैं। आइए उनसे पूछते हैं उनकी दिल की बात। तो कैडेट्स, व्हाट्स योर नेम?
Jain ma'am, my name is Cadet Mohammad Yanali.
Okay, so you are from which state?
Ma'am, I am from.
What is your takeaway from this?
Ma'am, my biggest takeaway would be the exposure which I have got after meeting the plenty of cadets from different directorates and meeting about their and knowing about their culture. That's the biggest takeaway.
Okay, if I want to ask you कि एक छोटी सी बात जो आपने इस अपने फ्लैग एरिया में डिपिक्ट किया और आपके दिल को छू गई है, वो कौन सी बात है?
Ma'am, our theme, the Vande Mataram, that
Okay.
it has commemorating 150 years this year. So
Okay.
that's the thing which I've touched on.
Okay, that's touch your heart. Okay, what's your name?
Jain ma'am, I
Jai
am
Hind.
Kirit Uttarathoniar from the Uttarakhand Directorate.
Okay, so I just wanted to ask you from your state, what is the catching movement or what is the learning which you are taking with you?
Ma'am, the time that we have given to make this whole flag area, the moments we live, that is the special things we learned from this flag.
Okay, one thing which you want to share with the cadets.
Ma'am, it depicts our culture and heritage from our past to now, which is from the Om Parva to the 25 glorious years that we have depicted.
Oh, great. So we have one more cadet from Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Andaman and Nicobar Directorate.
Jain ma'am,
Jai Hind. What's your name?
ma'am, I'm leading cadet Sarvesh Yuva ma'am from Directorate Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Andaman and Nicobar.
Oh, great. I can feel your Josh and Jazba.
Yes,
So I just
ma'am.
wanted to ask you that what is the special in this flag area which you want to pass on to the cadet?
Yes ma'am, the flag area you're seeing right here ma'am, it's not just a artwork which has been made 3 days.
Yeah.
It is a living breath of a 5,000 year old centuries, traditions and beliefs that has been passed on. From the Thanjai Periyakoil, which is the Brihadishwara temple, to the modern medicines and the renewable energy. We have been the pioneers of both valor and science since the ancient times.
Great. What was a catching moment which you want to share?
Yes, ma'am. So the catching moment would be the briefing itself, ma'am. Me briefing my history, my culture. It was such a proud moment for me, and also to explain them about the various symbols and what and all logos are present here. That it blew my mind, ma'am.
Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
We have one more cadet from Rajasthan Directorate.
Jain ma'am,
Jai Hind. What's your name?
I am PU Cadet Ritvika Rathod from Rajasthan Directorate.
Okay. So can you please tell me what is the unique thing?
Actually, in this depiction, we have shown that the culture and the heritage of Rajasthan is not only in bricks but also in the values of truth, sacrifice, and courage as well.
So what value are you taking with you?
Man, of being confident and being a decision maker.
Okay. So any particular, whatever you have depicted, any particular person or the character which actually has shaken you inside?
Yes, ma'am, the valor of Maharana Pratap and
Okay.
the valor of Hadi Rani as well.
So you are taking those values with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Jai ma'am.
Jai Hind. We have Odisha Directorate. I can see the cadet is eagerly waiting for us.
Then ma'am,
Jai Hind. What's your name?
ma'am, I'm Cadet Shubham Rai from Odisha Directorate.
Okay. So tell us something about Odisha which makes this flag area unique.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in our flag area, we have depicted the tribal ecos, the predominant and major tribes in the central India for India, as well as the state of our own Odisha. In the central India, we have depicted the Munda tribe, Santhal tribe, Kon tribe, and Sora tribe. But the tribes were predominantly present in our state Odisha are the Gadabba and Bonda tribe. We have showcased the tribes and their appearance of women, which is considered as a dignitary model of our state, ma'am.
So what is that catching line or you have learned from these so many days of briefing?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in my briefing, I would like to say that there is an immense pride I'm taking in representing my people, because this is about my country, India, and this is about my state, Odisha. We have a quote which I represented in every briefing of mine, that Mo Utkala Mo Janani Vande Utkala Janani, which depicted that my state and my country, which I am representing very proudly, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Then, ma'am.
Jai Hind. We have Northeast Directorate, one cadet here. What's your name?
Jain ma'am,
Jai Hind.
I am Surgeon Dasa Sriya.
Okay, so tell us something about Northeast region and such a beautiful it has been depicted. What is the one thing which actually touches your heart?
So ma'am, according to me, all the other directorates, the maximum number of states are 4 to 5, but ours is the largest with 7 states.
Very true.
And I think me being from Assam, it's a very big responsibility that I'm not just carrying Assam with me, but all the 7 states as shown here, ma'am.
Oh, great. So you are saying that you feel proud in standing here and sharing and briefing all the dignitaries about your state.
Yes, ma'am.
So what one message you want to give to the cadets related to your state?
Ma'am, I'd like to say that Assam, it's a very heartwarming state, and if you want to experience a welcoming state, or if you want to come and just relax for a few days, then please come to Assam, because we will welcome you with all our heart.
Okay, so cadets, see, the cadet is welcoming you. So you all are welcome to Assam. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
तो हम आ गए हैं पंजाब हरियाणा हिमाचल प्रदेश डायरेक्टरेट के फ्लैग एरिया पे. सो व्हाट्स योर नेम?
मैम आई एम कैडेट यश शर्मा.
ओके यश. तो यश, आप बताइए कि इस पर्टिकुलर फ्लैग एरिया में आपने कितने लोगों को ब्रीफिंग किया है अभी तक. सो उसके बाद आप यहाँ से क्या लेके जा रहे हैं?
First of all, it's been an honor to brief about my directorate, the flag area especially, and I was fortunate enough to brief the Chief of Air Staff, that is Air Chief Marshal Amarpreet Singh,
Okay.
and multiple senior officers I have briefed, and I was also fortunate enough to brief the foreign cadets who have come here in Republic Day camp.
Okay.
So what we have shown in this flag area is that we people from Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Chandigarh Directorate, we represent this Veer Bhumi, which is the land of brave hearts.
Okay.
We have shown multiple Veers that have come from this Veer Bhumi. This is the 4 Sahibzadas that they got sacrificed in Chamkaur Sahib, and all of the martyrs which we have shown, they have always signified the tri-services strength, and at the center we have the national emblem which signifies the truth and the true essence of this Veer Bhumi.
गुड यश.
सबसे पहले तो रिपब्लिक डे कैंप हैज़ गिवन अस सो मच ऑफ एक्सपोजर दैट दिस विल हेल्प अस थ्रू आउट आवर लाइफ.
Okay.
And the second thing is the feeling which we get after talking about this Veer Bhumi. So that is something which is on another level.
Okay. We have one more cadet behind you. Yes, what's your name? जय हिंद. इतने दिनों से आप खड़े हैं और ब्रीफ कर रहे हैं, तो एक फीलिंग आ जाती है, एक चेंज महसूस करते हैं. What is the change you have
Truly,
seen?
ma'am. I believe like the moment we came here, we were representing our Veer Bhumi. So that was in itself a very proud moment. That I'm a 15-year-old. So
Okay.
for me, for a 15-year-old to feel at this level, that's a very big thing. And secondly, the sense of national integration we get, because we have all the 70 directorates laid out here, and we've been here so many days. We come here every day to represent our Veer Bhumi. So we get to know about each other's lands, how their culture is represented. So it's truly very integrated in our culture, and it shows कि India is truly shown here. India इधर ही दिखता है कि इतना diverse, इतना colourful. That is the truest sense we get.
We can see one more cadet behind you. What's your name? जय हिंद.
I'm LFC Sejal.
तो आपसे सेजल ये पूछेंगे कि इन सभी को देख के आपने जो जज्बा इनको देख के ये बनाते हुए फील हुआ है, व्हाट इज दैट शेयरिंग?
मैम देशभक्ति.
ओह माय गॉड, क्या बात
मैम
है.
इनकी वीरता को देख के खुद ऐसा होता है यार, हमें भी देश के लिए कुछ करके दिखाना है.
ओके, तो क्या करके दिखाएंगी सेजल? हमारी जनता जानना चाहती है.
मैम सेजल चेंज लाएगी.
ग्रेट, यही चाहिए. तो जय हिंद. तो अब हम आगे हैं केरला और लक्षद्वीप पे. सो व्हाट्स योर नेम?
Yadun ma'am. In this flag area, we have depicted how infrastructure and community can uplift a coastal region that makes up half a 3/4 amount of our Kerala region.
ओके. और आप इतने दिनों से यहाँ पे हैं और इतने सारे डिग्निटरीज को ब्रीफ कर रहे हैं, आपको क्या फीलिंग आ रही है जब आप टेल योर समथिंग इनर फीलिंग विद द कैडेट्स?
Yes ma'am, the inner feeling is that when I was not in NCC, I was not part of NCC, I wouldn't get such opportunities. When I came to NCC, I was a flag area briefer, I could get to brief higher dignitaries, which I could not have briefed if I was not part of NCC.
Okay. So now you feel proud?
Yes ma'am.
Will you like to come again and would like to guide others to also come?
Yes ma'am, I would surely if I got a chance, and I would guide my juniors to do the same.
Okay, thank you so much.
Jai Hind ma'am.
Yes. What's your name?
जय हिंद मैम. आई एम कैडेट रक्षण के सर.
Okay.
हमने जिस समय में ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के टाइम लोगों की मदद की, जैसे हमने रिलीफ ऑपरेशंस किए,
हाँ जी.
ज़रूरी वस्तुओं का हमने वितरण किया.
हाँ जी.
मैम हमने ब्लड डोनेशन की एंड हेल्प भी हमने इंजर्ड भी की.
हाँ जी.
तो ये चीज़ सबसे अच्छी थी हमारी पूरे ऑपरेशन सिंदूर की, जो एनसीसी कैडेट्स ने किया है.
ओके, तो आप अपने तरफ से, अपने जम्मू कश्मीर और लद्दाख डायरेक्टरेट की तरफ से कैडेट्स को क्या मैसेज देना चाहते हैं?
मैम जम्मू कश्मीर और लद्दाख की तरफ से मैं ये मैसेज देना चाहता हूँ कि अगर आप एनसीसी का पार्ट हैं और आप अभी अपने फर्स्ट ईयर में, तो आरडीसी इस कैंप को ज़रूर करें. ये कैंप आपको काफ़ी कुछ सिखाता है, मेमोरीज, अलग अलग डायरेक्टरेट से आप मिलते हैं,
बड़े बड़े डिग्नेटरी से आप इंटरेक्ट करते हैं, बड़ी अच्छी फीलिंग है यहाँ की। सो मेमोरीज काफ़ी बनती हैं। सो प्लीज़ RDC कैंप करें।
ग्रेट ग्रेट ग्रेट, थैंक यू सो मच। आगे चल रहे हैं हम आंध्र प्रदेश और तेलंगाना डायरेक्टरेट हमें दिख रहे हैं कैडेट। व्हाट्स योर नेम? जय हिंद।
About the mural and the flags, basically this NCC's role as green warriors to make Viksit Bharat by 2047.
Okay.
And the flags represents all famous delicacies, all famous personalities, famous places, and everything about Andhra Pradesh and Telangana.
Okay.
I'm basically imbibing qualities of whatever I represented here and educating my juniors also about all these activities.
दैट इज़ द मेन थिंग। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you, ma'am.
तो देखा आपने कि किस तरह से हम अपने फ्लैग एरिया में उन सारे ब्रीफर से मिले जिनकी दिल की बात वो अपने साथ लेके जा रहे हैं। हम अपने अगले एपिसोड में कुछ और एरिया कवर करेंगे, आप हमारे साथ बने रहिए। थैंक यू।